What's going on, guys? Today we have another multi-port car adapter. Alright guys, so I got this multi-port car adapter. If you guys didn't see the other video I did of the multi-port car adapter, and yes, I keep saying it that way because that's how it is. Chinese product. The other one was good. So I did my review of that product and the company actually sent me this one, and it's an updated version of that adapter that I bought. So let's just dive right into it. It's the GC01. I'll show you guys the specs. You guys want to check that out. And yeah, so open this thing up. Show you guys. So we got a little manual, whatever, and here is the unit. So wrapped it all up nice again. We got the little screen on here, little screen here, gives you your power input, on off buttons, nice clicky top on and off buttons with a LED light to indicate that. USB-A, you got 3 of them on there. Yeah, so, oh yeah, I forgot the USB-Cs on the front. Now, again, these products, you guys know how I feel about them. It's basically power delivery. Yes. Is this one better? It's better. It's nicer. The build quality on it is better. I actually have the other version here, so you guys can take a peek-sees. So here's the newer version, here's the older one. And again, the old one worked. It was good. But the build quality is just substantially better on the newer version, which I like. And this one only had one USB, one USB-C on it. This one has 2 on the front, so better. 3 USB-As on the side. This one only had 2. The switch is on the side. And this one, the switch is on the back. So it's going to be a little bit better, I would say. You know, mounting, whether you want to go, well, you can't go that way because, you know, the buttons are there. But, you know, I never ended up mounting this to my vehicle. I kind of just left it in. I ran it under the seat so that I can plug things in for the back seat people. I will definitely be replacing that one with this one. Again, just the build quality is just substantially better on it. It is a nicer unit. It looks nicer if you're going to put it in a place where you're visually going to see it. I do like the fact that I could shut everything off together or just individually power certain things. It makes things easier if you guys don't have these. You don't know what you're missing out on, I guess. You know, but they do make like the 3-prong ones that just have power all the time to it. So it's nice to be able to just shut off and on certain things, whether it's a charger or, you know, like some people put like screens in their car and stuff like that. You can turn them on and off, or iPads, charging phones, all that stuff. Also, this works out for me for strobe lights and different things like that that I have on my vehicle. And I have the ability to shut power off completely to them if I don't need them on anymore. So that's what we got for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, put them down below. Check out our other car aftermarket playlist section for all of this stuff and add-ons to your vehicle. Check out the video that I did dedicated to the older style one. And yeah, that's all we got. Thank you guys for watching. Take care.